We present a very early trial in progress. So I think this is a quite novel concept for a couple of, so this uses electroporation of the Sleeping Beauty plasmid. So is a very rapid manufacturing process where you can go from apheresis to infusion of product in 2 days, versus a traditional, let's say 3 to 4 weeks with multiple other CAR products. Additionally, the PRGN cells target CD33, which I would say is one of the 2 main antigens being targeted, at least with single antigen CAR, incorporates membrane-bound IL-15, which at least preclinically and lots of cellular therapies may lead to better persistence and expansion, and really for this to happen in vivo in the patient, and then has a safety kill switch. I think what's been nice is in at least early dose levels, and we're investigating both with and without preconditioning, is we've not had manufacturing failure issues. The overall has been safe with a low degree of cytokine release syndrome or neurotoxicity, and at least sort of one early intriguing patient where the blast count has gone down and the patient has persistent CAR T-cells out to 6 months in therapy. And this is on, again, a relatively low dose level and without lymphodepleting chemo. So I think these data are exciting. I think the technology is rapidly adaptable. And I think that's critical in myeloid CAR development, where we may ultimately require targeting multiple antigens. And so, this trial is continuing onward in dose escalation, hopefully have more mature phase 1 data over this next year, and is planned to now open up multiple other centers to really more rapidly move this technology forward.